Let's solve this together. It says a squared plus b squared is equal to 20 and ab is equal to 20. We're going to solve for the value of a and for b. How do we do this? First thing we can say is that since this is equation 1 and equation 2, we can go ahead and say equation 1 minus equation 2. From here, we're going to have a squared plus b squared, that's minus ab, is equal to, this is 0. Alright? Now, the same thing from here, we can say that when we have a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus ab plus 2ab plus b squared, okay? So to get when we expand this. Now, in order to make this look like this, we're going to have that a plus b all squared minus 2ab from here is equal to a squared plus b squared, okay? Now, let's now substitute this for a squared plus b squared in this equation. From here, we now have that a plus b all squared minus 2ab minus ab is equal to 0. Okay? From here, our ab plus ab minus 2ab is minus 3ab. Okay? And then we have a plus b all squared. Okay? Now, our ab is what? 20. Okay, from equation 2. So minus 3 times ab is minus 3 times 20, which is minus 60. So we now have that a plus b all squared minus 60 is equal to 0. From here, we now have that our a plus b all squared is equal to 60. Alright? So we've got another equation. We can call this equation 3. So you can say now from equation 3, we have that a plus b is now equal to square roots of 60. Okay? But recall that we had that ab is equal to 20. Let's now substitute ab as 20 in equation 1. Okay? Or let's say that our b is equal to 20 over a. Alright? So seeing this in equation 1 now, we have a plus 20 over a is equal to root 60. Alright? Now multiply each time by a, we have a squared, alright, plus 20 is equal to a root 60. Alright? Now from here we have a squared minus a root 60, okay, plus 20 is equal to 0. Let's now apply the quadratic formula to solve this. So solving this quadratic equation together, we have that a here will be equal to minus the coefficient of minus times the coefficient of a here is 60, okay, plus or minus square root of 60 squared is 60, that's root 60 squared rather, minus 4 times this is minus 80 all over 2 times 1, which is 2, and this becomes equal to root of 60 plus or minus square root of negative 20 all over 2 is equal to a. Alright, now from here we now have that root of 60 here can be re-expressed as, okay, 2 root 15 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by I all over 2, and this becomes equal to 2 root 15 divided by 2 is root 50 plus or minus root of 4 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times I root 5 is I root 5. Okay, and this is equal to our A. Now, moving on with the same formula, we'll find our B now. Now, recall that we say B is equal to 20 over A. So, solving for 20 over A, we have from here that our 20 over A here will be equal to, let's just pick one of this. We have 20 divided by root of 15 plus I root 5. Okay, we have that B is equal to 20 multiplied by root of 15 minus I root 5 divided by root of 15 plus I root 5 multiplied by root of 15 minus I root 5. Okay, this becomes equal to 20 divided by root of 15 squared is 15 minus I squared is minus 1, that's we have plus here, and then root 5 squared is 5. So this is equal to, okay, so let's write this back. this becomes equal to 20 divided by 20 is 1. So you have root of 15 minus I root 5. So it's given that when A is root of 15 plus I root 5, B becomes equal to root of 15 minus I root 5. Hence, invariably, when we have that B is equal to root of 15 plus I root 5, A will be equal to root of 15 minus I root 5. Okay? So these are the two answers to this question. Thanks for watching.